Sorry for interruption due to electricity cut off. Now, dear students, take your pen and exercise book. Now, I will try to solve the grammars given by me in the third video on the first class. Now, try to copy the answers. Some of you have followed the third video class on online, but the students who have followed the class have sent me after working out the grammatical items given by me. But the students who do not even follow the video class are asked to copy the answers. Now, the first question was, the couple who saw her off were probably her parents. The answers to the grammatical items of the third video on the first online class. Now copy. The couple who saw her off were probably her parents. I have given you the instructions for splitting the sentence. So, you will have to write the answer. The couple were probably her parents. They saw her off. The couple were probably the C-O-U-P-L-E. Couple were probably P-R-O-B-A-B-L-Y. Probably her parents. P-A-R-E-N-T-S. The couple were probably her parents. They saw her off. They saw her off. Here, this is the answer. Now, in the second question, they seemed very anxious about her comfort. This is the second sentence given by me, and the instructions were noun of anxious and complex sentence. Turn it into complex sentence. Number 2, the answer of the question. They seemed to have great anxiety about her comfort. They seemed to have great anxiety, A-N-X-I-E-T-Y. They seem to have great anxiety about her comfort. Here, this is the answer. Here, the instruction was use noun form of anxious, and here anxiety is the noun word. They seem to have great anxiety. You may write much anxiety about her comfort. Now, the sentence is to be converted into complex sentence. So, you will have to write the answer. The complex sentence will be, it seemed that they were very anxious. They were very anxious ANXIOUS. This, it seemed that they were very anxious about her comfort. About her comfort. It seemed that they were very anxious about her comfort. It seemed, this is the principal clause, that they were very anxious about her comfort. This is the subordinating clause. So this is the complex sentence. You may also write the answer in the complex pattern in this way. It seemed that they had great anxiety. ANXIETY. They had great anxiety about her comfort. About her comfort. Here, now see, this is the complex sentence. And here, this is also the noun form of anxious, anxiety. Here, in a single sentence, you may give the answers in this way. It seemed that they had great anxiety about her comfort. Now, follow the instructions of the third grammars. The women gave the girl detailed instructions. The women gave the girl detailed instructions. The sentence was given by me from the text, and the instructions were: use verb form of instructions, noun of detailed, voice change. 3 instructions were given for this sentence. The women gave the girl detailed instructions. The answers of the third question. The women gave the girl detailed instructions. The women instructed the girl in detail. The women instructed the girl INSTRUCTED. The women instructed the girl in detail. DETAIL. The women instructed the girl in detail. Here, instructed is used as a verb form instead of instruction. The women instructed the girl in detail. Now see, here the instructions were given for the sentence. The women gave the girl detailed instructions. Verb of instructions. Here the verb of instruction has been used, and use noun of detailed. Here detail is used as a noun word. In this way, you may give the answers in a single sentence by converting the word instructions as a verb word instructed, and the participle adjective as noun word in this way, detail. Next, in another separate sentence, you may give the answer using the noun word of detailed. The women gave the girl instruction in detail. In this way, the women gave the girl instructions, INSTRUCTIONS, instructions in detail. Here, this is also used as a noun word. In a separate sentence, you may use the noun form in this way. And the voice change. Now see. The girl was given detailed instructions by the women. Here the girl was used as the object, so you may convert it into subject. The girl was given. The girl was given. The girl was given detailed instructions. DETAILED. Detailed instructions. INSTRUCTIONS. Detailed instructions by the women. By the women. Now, in this way, you may give the answer. Now, come to the grammatical items number 4. They called their goodbyes and the train pulled out of the station. Now, write down the sentence. They called their goodbyes and the train pulled out of the station. Simple sentence, splitting and complex sentence. The 3 instructions were given in this way. The train pulled out of the station. The train pulled out of the station. The train pulled out of the station after their goodbyes. After their goodbyes. After their goodbyes called by them. Called by them. This is the simple sentence. Now splitting. Or here the simple sentence may also be written in another way. You may write the sentence or follow the sentence in this way. They, having called their goodbyes, having called their goodbyes, they, having called their goodbyes, the train pulled out of the station. The train pulled out, PULLED, pulled out of the station. In this way, you may write the answer. Now, splitting. Here, try to write the answer of the instructions number 2. They called their goodbyes. The train pulled out of the station. They called their goodbyes. They called their goodbyes. The train pulled out of the station. The train pulled out of the station. Of the station. In this way, you may split the sentence. And now, if the sentence was to be transformed into a complex sentence, the instruction was given for you to convert the sentence into complex sentence. When they called their goodbyes, the train pulled out of the station. You may write the answer. When they pulled out of the station. When they pulled out, PULLED, pulled out of the station. When they pulled out of the station, the train when they called their goodbyes. Now write down the sentence. When they called their goodbyes, called their goodbyes. When they called their goodbyes, the train pulled out of the station. Pulled out of the station. S-T-A-T-I-O-N. The train pulled out of the station. Here the train pulled out of the station. This is the pencil touch. And when they called their goodbyes, this is the subordinating adverb clause. In this way, you may convert the sentence into complex sentence. You may write the sentence in another way also. The train pulled out of the station. The train pulled out, P-U-L-L-E-D, pulled out of the station. The train pulled out of the S-T-A-T-I-O-N station after they had called their goodbyes. After they had called their goodbyes. Here in this way, you may also write the complex sentence in another way. When they called their goodbyes, the train pulled out of the station. The train pulled out of the station after they had called their goodbyes. Dear students, the time is coming near for ending my class. So I will work out the answers in my next class. So I will give you some instructions for following the class today, and also I will ask you to follow the next class. In my next class, I will give you the remaining answers of the grammatical items given by me on the third video of my online class on the first day. So students, I will hope you all will be good and perfect in health and stay at home safe. Thank you.